What if you could make crispy, golden orange chicken that tastes better than your favorite takeout, right in your own kitchen? Imagine that sweet, tangy glaze clinging to crunchy bites of juicy chicken, the scent of orange and garlic filling the air. Stay tuned, dinner's about to get addictive. What if I told you that you could make that golden, sweet, and tangy orange chicken you love from your favorite takeout spot, right at home? Yeah, the kind that's crispy on the outside, juicy inside, and coated in that glossy orange glaze that sticks to your fork just right. That's the magic we are creating today. Orange chicken isn't just a dish, it's an experience, one that Americans have embraced as the ultimate comfort food. It's Friday night dinner after a long week, the quick fix for a craving, or that meal you share with friends when you want something that hits every taste bud. It's sweet, savory, citrusy, and nostalgic all at once. The beauty of this recipe is that it's easy, fast, and made with simple ingredients you already know, nothing fancy, nothing complicated. Just honest cooking. We are talking real oranges, fresh garlic and ginger, crispy fried chicken, and that irresistible sticky sweet glaze that brings it all together. It's the perfect balance of crunch and sauce, the kind that makes you close your eyes after the first bite. And the best part? You don't need to be a chef to make it. If you can fry a little chicken and stir a pot, you've got this. It's takeout flavor with homemade pride, fresher, lighter, and full of heart. So grab your wok, heat up that oil, and let's turn your kitchen into the ultimate takeout destination. Because once you taste this crispy, zesty, golden orange chicken, you'll realize the truth: the best takeout in town doesn't come in a paper box. It comes from your own pan. Before the first sizzle hits the pan, the magic of this orange chicken starts right here, with the ingredients. Because let's be real, great food doesn't come from complicated recipes, it comes from fresh, simple stuff done right. And that crispy, golden perfection you love from your favorite takeout. You can totally make it at home. Start with the star, chicken. Boneless, skinless thighs are the best choice, because they stay tender and juicy even after frying. If you prefer something leaner, chicken breast works too, but thighs bring that extra flavor. Cut them into bite-sized pieces, not too small, not too big, just the right size to pop in your mouth. Now, let's build the crunch factor. That crave-worthy crispiness comes from a double coating. Mix cornstarch and flour together for the perfect texture, light, crisp, and golden. Dip your chicken in beaten eggs first, then coat them evenly in your flour mix. It's a simple trick, but it gives you that signature crispy shell that stays crunchy even when you toss it in the sauce later. And then comes the flavor base, where we bring that orange chicken magic to life. Fresh orange zest and juice give it that bright, citrusy punch. None of that artificial orange syrup, just the real deal. Add garlic, ginger, and a splash of soy sauce to balance the sweetness with depth. A little rice vinegar or white vinegar adds tang, while brown sugar or honey brings that glossy, sticky sweetness everyone craves. Don't forget the heat, just a pinch of chili flakes to keep it interesting. That tiny kick at the end makes the sauce dance on your tongue. Before you even start frying, have everything ready, chicken coated, sauce mixed, wok preheated. That's the secret to smooth, confident cooking. Stir-frying moves fast, and when everything's prepped, it feels effortless, just rhythm and flow. There's something satisfying about watching your ingredients come together, the bright oranges, the golden batter, the fresh aroma of ginger in the air. You realize you're not just cooking dinner, you're building a masterpiece of comfort, flavor, and crunch. Because when it comes to food, it's not about being fancy, it's about cooking with care, one ingredient at a time. This is the moment everything comes alive, the sound, the smell, the rhythm of cooking. You've got your chicken coated, your sauce mixed, and your wok or pan ready to go. Now it's time to bring the magic. The key here: confidence, heat, and that perfect golden crunch. Start by heating your oil to about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. That's the sweet spot for crispy chicken. Not too hot, not too cool. You want that satisfying sizzle the second the chicken hits the oil. Carefully drop each piece in, and watch the bubbles dance around them. That sound. That's flavor in progress. Don't overcrowd the pan, good frying is all about space. Give each piece a little breathing room, so it fries evenly and stays crunchy. Flip the chicken halfway through, letting it turn that perfect shade of golden brown. Once the coating looks crisp and lightly puffed, pull the pieces out and set them on a wire rack or paper towel to drain. You'll see it right away, that irresistible crunch. Now, in a clean pan, it's time to make that legendary orange sauce. Add a splash of oil, then toss in your minced garlic and ginger. The aroma hits instantly, warm, citrusy, and mouth-watering. Stir for just a few seconds, then pour in your pre-mixed sauce, fresh orange juice, soy sauce, brown sugar, rice vinegar, a touch of cornstarch, and that bright orange zest. Watch as it starts to bubble and thicken, turning from simple ingredients into glossy, sticky perfection. It should coat the back of a spoon, that's how you know it's ready. Now, turn off the heat and bring back your crispy chicken. Toss it gently in the sauce until every piece glistens like sunshine. You'll smell the citrus, feel the warmth of the pan, and see that golden glaze shining under the light. This is the magic of homemade cooking, the moment when simple prep turns into something you can't stop craving. Take a second to admire it. You didn't just make orange chicken, you made comfort food, joy, and restaurant-level flavor in your own kitchen. One bite, and you'll know, this isn't just cooking, this is pure happiness sizzling in a pan. The hard work's done, now it's time to enjoy the reward. The kitchen smells amazing, the sauce is glistening, and that crispy orange chicken is calling your name. This is the best part of cooking, the moment where everything you made with your hands turns into something worth sitting down for. Grab your favorite bowl or plate and pile on a bed of steamed jasmine rice, soft, fluffy, and ready to soak up that glossy orange glaze. Spoon the chicken on top, watching the sauce drip down and coat the rice. Sprinkle a few sesame seeds and fresh green onions for that final pop of color and freshness. It's the kind of plate that looks straight out of your favorite restaurant, but the secret is, you made it. Take a deep breath before the first bite. The smell is bright and citrusy, with that hint of ginger and garlic warming the air. The chicken's still crispy under the sticky sweet glaze, and the sauce, oh man, the sauce, hits all the right notes, sweet, tangy, zesty, with a tiny kiss of heat. It's crunchy, juicy, and completely satisfying. One bite, and you'll realize you didn't just make dinner, you made something crave-worthy. What makes this dish so special isn't just how good it tastes, it's how it feels. It's homemade, simple, and full of heart. You didn't pick it up from a drive-through, you built it from scratch, step by step. And that first spoonful brings that little spark of pride every home cook knows, yeah, I did that. Orange chicken is comfort food that bridges cultures. A classic American takeout favorite with bright, Asian-inspired flavors that make everyone happy at the table. Whether you're cooking for family, a date night, or just treating yourself after a long day, it delivers the same warm, comforting joy every time. So grab your chopsticks or fork, sit down, and savor it. Let the sauce cling to the rice, feel that crispy bite, and just enjoy the moment. Because this isn't just food, it's connection, creativity, and pure comfort in a bowl. From my kitchen to yours, this is real flavor, real love, and the true joy of homemade takeout.